Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define what animals are, know about various types of animals, understand various characteristics of animal kingdom, know about various level of organization, understand body symmetry, understand diploblastic and triploblastic organization, know about coelom, understand segmentation,